Welcome back. We are going to continue learning about place values. So that your last lesson, you were looking at the underlined value and you were writing what place value that number was in. Today we're going to continue to look at place value, and this time it's going to give you which place the number is in, and you have to identify what the number is. So let me show you a few examples, and then you guys will be on your own the rest of the time. Number one says, what digit is the tens place in the number 35,176? So you have to identify what the number is in that place value. So I need to go to the tens place and look at the tens place. I know that the tens place is two numbers to the left of the end of my number, or wherever that decimal point would be. In this case, I hope you guys all know that there's always a decimal, whether they show it or not, in every single number, and it comes right at the end. Because if you think about it as money, let's say I was writing 35,176 as money. I'll write that up here. So I've got my big old dollar sign, and I'm going to go $35,176.00. All right. So really, with any number, you've got a decimal point. You just don't always have to show it if there's no change at the end or there's no numbers after the decimal point. So anyway, the tens place, we've already identified that as being 7. So you're going to write the number 7 in your answer line. All right. Number 2, what digit is in the hundreds place in the number 9,714,852? So I want to look at the hundreds place. And again, don't be afraid to use resources. You're at home or wherever it is you're working on this. If you've got internet, you can use the internet to help you with your place values. Also, don't forget the last lesson had a nice chart at the top of the worksheet you were working on. Don't be afraid to use that chart and look for the hundreds place. I know the hundreds place is 3 numbers to the left. So we are looking at the number 8 would be my answer. So we're going to write 8 on my answer line and go from there. All right, I'll do one more with you and then you guys will be on your own. What digit is in the thousands place in the number 58,742? The thousands place is 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers to the left. So again, number 8 would be your answer. All right, go ahead and finish up the rest of this and submit this back into Canvas to 1.2 place values. Best of luck. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.